see if I can get up here without falling. Oh, what do you got, Daryl?
We got one ball back. Oh, is this a...
That's a takedown light.
That's a takedown. Let me see.
And they work.
Let's try
alley
those
light.
two.
It's
What?
an alley light.
The alley light?
They're spinning. They're not very healthy. Oh yeah, they work.
Yep, Allie.
Alley's on this side.
Who's Allie?
I don't know what those two switches.
So we got a little California steady burn on the driver's side, and the officer's side is weak, but it could be better. No, we didn't.
And do you know what these two switches do here?
Don't touch them. I don't know. Which ones? Oh. All right, we're gonna take this apart. We'll be back. I'm gonna fall again. So, where's the belt? I can't see it. Daryl, you just got 2 new belts. And he's not talking to the camera. So yes, pull the cotter pin out. And then there's 2 oh hey, you know why that light's not working? It's because only one's touching, the other one's like bent up. No, I don't want you on the truck.
And no, these were on. All 4 were on. And this is actually while we're doing this, you want to just take one off so we can go track one down or track either of them down.
Yeah, sure, okay. We'll just pull the whole assembly off. But you can't do that yet because you need to take the washer off and that shaft. Don't mind Eddie downstairs. You need to slide the whole assembly up to get your washer out. You can't take it all the way up yet though.
What?
Because the belt's holding it on. Oh. Okay. Do the same to the other one.
Oh, you want to take this one off too?
You have to get the belt off. Cotter pin.
Yeah, but the light is right behind the cotter pin.
Spin it. I just don't.
It wasn't that hard actually.
Put the cotter pin and the washers down in the light here so you don't lose them. Large fingers. Okay.
More difficult.
Maybe you could just keep that washer on there and it'll come off when the whole light comes off. First you need to take that silver shield off. So it's 2, shove your ratchet.
This whole thing has to come off?
Yep, just 2 bolts.
Oh yeah.
I loosened them with the ratchet and then just hit them with the Phillips head. Camera making you nervous?
Very much so.
It's just a Phillips head screw. And he's going in there. You can open it. That's locking it. No, it works. When you go the right way, give that man another cup of coffee. Oh, it's hyper smooth. That won't come up. Okay, there's another screw that you can tell is on a cam over here. I can't see it.
On a cam.
It's like, you see how it looks like there's yeah, an adjustment screw? Loosen that. Okay, now the screw should move. Perfect. Is the belt loose? Okay, pull both of them up at the same time. Very nice.
Did you pull the whole belt out or no?
No, because you gotta take the motor out.
Yeah.
So, oh, damn it. Oh, maybe I should take this magnet now off. All right, that's the light bar. We just got 2 new belts ordered, and
the bulbs out.
okay. So these are all little 1/4-inch screws with Phillips heads on them. So we have to take the whole thing off because these sit underneath this center where there would be a siren speaker, but that's not on this model. So yeah, let's get going. Okay, that didn't take too long. So this is a Code 3 XL. It's ran by belts. There's 2 heads on each side, plus alley lights. 1 motor on each side, so it spins. But this belt is so dry that it was getting bound up. So, new belts, hopefully she'll work good. That's a beautiful thing. I got what? 1 bulb? Wait. Yeah, I got 1 bulb out. Outstanding. All right, let's put the covers back on. We'll order a bulb. Okay, so it's a couple weeks after we had the light bar work done, and she actually went out for a full service. She's got new engine oil and filter, new trans oil and filter, a new set of fuel filters, and a new air filter. Also had the chassis gone over, and pretty soon we're gonna be buying new steer tires for it. But I just want to give you guys a quick walkthrough of the lighting on it now the light bar is working good. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn all of our lights on. Our clearance lights are on. Those are all of our front warning, front flash, the roof, the rear warning, and the rear flash. And we'll throw the master up. We'll take a look. So we've got the Code 3 oscillating light in the front bumper. Just flashers on the fronts. Code 3 is working good up there. Come around to the back. We've got 2 strobes, one up on the top of the hose bed on each side. And that's it. You really don't have any rear warning lights. It's just those. No side warnings at all, with the exception of the light bar. So she's pretty front heavy on the lights, and that's really it. Thanks for checking in, guys. As you can see, half the stripe is gone. We're gonna get the other half off soon, and we're hoping to be in a parade in Walnutport, Pennsylvania come first or second weekend of June. So keep posted. These views are amazing. You guys are really interested in it, and that's what makes me keep making these videos. So I appreciate it. Stay tuned. Have a good one.